know what you're gonna say, Stoic. How could I have done this? Stayed away all of these years, and why didn't I come back to you? To our son? Well, what sign did I have that you could change, Stoic? That anyone on Burke could? I pleaded so many times to stop the fighting, to find another answer, but did any of you listen? I know that I left you to raise Hiccup alone, but I thought he'd be better off without me. And I was wrong. I see that now, but... Oh, stop being so stoic. Go on. Shout, scream, say something!
You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.